yes, it's Seaside Heights, and we're gonna do it all over again. But right now it's cloudy and miserable, and so we got a little break in the rain until mid-afternoon. I didn't even get out of here this morning because it was raining so bad. And at 10 o'clock this morning, there was an explosion up on Sumner Avenue, and maybe we'll wander up there if we can avoid the rain. Right now it's not raining, and we don't know when that's going to start again, but hey, that's it. I'd say, yeah, we'll do that. And Big Hearted John's, we're at a little standstill here. I didn't do any work this week, but we still got the headers down, and ready to start framing. Somewhere's out here was where the explosion was. Don't know where. Anyway, this is Sumner, and it's over, whatever it was. 4 hours later, they're done. This used to be the Home Depot and White Pearl. I guess the White Pearl's not here no more. It's all closed up. Nothing here. Not even a sign on the wall. Sea Palace Inn. Abe's Corner Store. Jack's Garage. Jack and Bill's. Bubba's. Blue Collar Cuisine. Give you a little tour while we're out here. A little tour of Sumner Avenue. Casino Pier. Got the swings right back there. Dizzy Dragons over here. Move over this way. Surf Shack over here. More rides going up. In the background is the air race. In the back, can't see it from here, but looks like the other one, Superstore maybe, not sure. Hot Tamale, a few rides going up. 2 more weeks is the Easter egg hunt. Breakwater Beach. And it's raining out here. I don't like it. I need a sunshiny day. Right? Don't we, buddy? Big Red, we need a sunshiny day. Alright, this is a new sign. Was on the old time photos sign, and now it's down here. It used to be down there on Blaine Avenue, in the middle of the boardwalk. Looks like it's moving down here. New Jersey foreshore. And it's been pretty good. Hasn't been raining in the past hour or so since we've been out here, so that's a good thing compared to the heavy rains this morning. But right now it's bearable, and I think we can handle that. Came and went. St. Patrick's Day. That's over. Done for. Beachcomber. Well, I don't know. I think that's about it, folks. Had enough fun for one rainy day. It's raining again. Night is upon us. And it's raining, and I think we're done here. So thanks for watching, everybody. And we're going to get one up tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather's nice. Sun comes out. And we'll try and get one up tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Boop boop.